Hello everyone, happy Friday. I'm making this video to show you how to get onto Google Hangouts video call. I made one this morning and I only had one student on, so I don't know if you guys are all still sleeping or if you're just not sure how to get on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, right now I'm in my Google Drive. You could be in your Gmail too, but right up here there's this waffle icon. So you're going to click that, and I started my Hangout in the chat room that I made, so I'm going to click on chat. Okay, and here I've got my rooms here, so I'm clicking on 8th grade ELA, and I had posted right here, join video meeting. Okay, so when you see that pop up in the chat, you can just click on it. I don't know if it'll work because I have my camera already on, but over here it'll ask you if you're ready to join, and you would click join meeting, and it's as simple as that. You can turn your microphone on and off, you can turn your camera on and off. See, here we go, join now. And it's pretty simple as that. If you have questions, you can email me, you can send me a chat message, you can message me in Google Classroom. If you're having trouble with logging into anything or any of the assignments, just ask your teachers. We are here to help. We are learning this too. It's all new to all of us, so just make sure you're reaching out to your teachers for help. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great weekend and be safe.